Today's video is going to be on, yeah, my hands are dirty. Today's video is going to be on prepping your new gas tank. Because you don't want to stick it on just like this. It does got a coating on it, but, you know, it will rust. What I got is some Rust-Oleum undercoating. 2 of these is like, 12 bucks. So, I'll show you the first thing you want to do before you spray it on. Because you can't spray it over that because it won't stick. Well, it probably would, but it wouldn't stick too good. So pretty much, I got some 320 sandpaper here, and you want to scuff this whole tank up. And if there are any openings, be sure to tape them off so you don't get no dust down in them. So the tank is getting scuffed down really good. Tape this off, and not this off to keep anything from getting down inside of it. So go ahead and scuff a little bit more, we will, and then we'll take some other coating and spray it. So I got Bryce helping me here. His hands is clean. I don't want to touch this. But everything's taped off and he's got it scuffed up pretty good, it looks like. So the next step will be taking a clean rag and some prep oil to it to clean it up, make sure ain't no grease or anything on it. And then we're going to shake our cans up pretty good. So he's going to go ahead and wipe this down for us. Now it's pretty well clean and dried off. We shook our can for 1 minute. And now we're going to be about 12 inches away, and you want even coats, just like so. And ever so often shake the can. And it says 2 minutes between coats, so I'm actually going to give it, once I get this side done, I'm going to go around and hit it again with the second coat once I get this whole thing undercoated, because this side should be ready for another coat. This is after 3 coats and it looks extremely good. I used 1 can, so be sure to get 2 cans if you're doing stuff like this. Try to have too much than too little. Now I'm going to let this completely dry, and then I will flip it over and do this side. So dry times depends. You know, you can touch it, you can tell that ain't dry. So let me smooth that back out. Yep. So yeah, just give it proper dry time. This is the tank after it dried. It's undercoating, it's going to smear. But you can go over this with a thin coat of bed liner, and it will take a little bit of tackiness as undercoat is known for, completely off of it. And this is just what's been setting for a couple of days. But it turns out great. It's added protection for your new tank. So I'm going to go ahead and now install this back on the truck. I got my rubber tank straps to put on this because you don't want metal to metal when you installing these. So I hope you found this video helpful. I got the gas tank put on. It's good to go. If you did, you know, prepping your tank is always a good thing to do, especially if it's new. You want to make it last as long as you can. If you did, drop a like. It helps other people find this video. YouTube suggests it to other people who might want to, you know, fix their tank and, you know, keep it from rusting off in a year or 2. And be sure to drop a comment. Let me know what you're working on. I enjoy hearing from everyone. And you can show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. And you can hit that notification bell or check back almost daily content on my channel. So always something new. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.